SUPERCOOL Freeze Mode by Mitsubishi Electric has been designed with modern kitchen use in mind. Food is frozen evenly, minimising cell damage, preserving both taste, texture and nutrient values. This allows foods to separate easily and makes soft foods easier to prepare for meals too, without the need for thawing. Your refrigerator's Versa drawer features Supercool Chilling as a selectable mode. Simply place your foods into the Versa drawer and close. Activate the refrigerator's controls with one touch of the operation panel. From here, press Settings until you navigate to VR. Then, use the Select button to navigate to Soft Freeze Mode. In this instance, we're setting to medium. Depending on the quality of food you're putting into the drawer, you can choose between low, medium or high settings. Press the operation panel again and then the SUPERCOOL mode. The letters S-Cool Freeze above the icon will light up. Next, touch Yes and your SUPERCOOL mode will be activated. This mode will automatically remain active for approximately 8 hours. Food kept in the Versa drawer will then be soft frozen until removed.